Hello you beautiful person, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix crashing and launching issues in Battlefront 2. Alright, I'm going to show you what I've tested myself and it worked. So I hope it's going to work for you as well. Make sure you watch this video till the very end so you don't miss any step. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate it if you subscribe and like this video. Also leave your comments down below. I'm really curious to read your results in the comment section. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Will make this very cute doggy, will make it'll make this dog very happy, so subscribe. Thank you. And now let's jump right in the video. So the first option is always recommended to check if you have all the Windows updates, all the driver updates related to your to your GPU, CPU, and everything. And here what you have to do is to install GeForce Experience if you don't have. This is very good and very important. It's going to help you to install all the drivers onto your computer. Click on check for updates, click on install here so you can install all the drivers. And then also here we need to ensure that we have Microsoft Visual C++. Make sure you try 82 and then restart your computer. Now at the end of this video you can restart your computer. Just make sure you try all the methods I'm going to show you in this video and then restart your computer. Also click on DirectX and install this if you don't have it on your computer. That's very important as well. This is going to help you. This link for Intel, this for AMD. I'll leave all the links in the description of this video, don't worry. Also head over to graphics settings and here click and add the game in this list. From here browse and go to the location where you install the game. Click on high performance and here select your GPU and also click on change default graphics setting. Make sure both of the settings are turned on or enabled. And now you also have to ensure that you have increased your virtual memory. So click on appearance and performance and here click on advanced change and here make sure you make this calculation. You calculate 1024 and multiply by the amount of RAM you have. If you have 60 like me, just the result, you have to enter the result here and click on set. Okay, and also click on the game and go to properties and compatibility. Here make sure you run the game as an administrator and you run the program in a compatibility mode and run the program as an administrator. All right, that's very important. Now right now as I have a drive that is installing right now, graphics driver. So we also can head over to command prompt and run as administrator, and you need to run this command first. And here make sure you run this command first and then you run the next command. The first one, it's gonna take some time because this will look if you have any corrupted files on your system. So just wait for the verification to complete and then move to the next step. And please here enter the next command. I'll leave the command in the description of this video and the last one here. And that's pretty much the end of the video. I really hope guys you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.